Now let us go to the third chemical reactions. Okay, the third chemical reaction suggests when a metal oxide or hydroxide, I know their radicals, you also might know them, OH minus and O2 minus. The oxide is O2 minus and the hydroxide is OH minus. When they react with an acid, they give out salt and water. Okay, so let us see some of the examples. Like we can take CuO when reacted with say H2SO4, it gives us CuSO4 copper sulfate salt along with the liberation of H2O. Clear? So when a metal oxide reacts with acid, they gives us a salt with the liberation of water. Now let us see more one example. Copper hydroxide. Okay, again we are reacting with a particular acid, hydrochloric acid. We will see it will be copper chloride, CuCl2 plus H2O. Plus H2O. Okay, so we will get over here a salt and water. So in this third chemical reaction of acid, we have seen metal oxides or hydroxides, when they react with your acid, they give out salt and water. Okay, now let us move forward to the fourth chemical reaction. In the fourth chemical reaction, we will keep in mind that a particular acid reacts with a base to neutralize the acidity and the basicity of the base. This particular reaction is known as neutralization reaction. So when a base reacts with an acid, the acidity of the acid and the base is neutralized in order to form salt and water. In order to form salt and water. Okay, so let us see examples like NaOH when reacts with H2SO4, they give us Na2SO4, a salt plus H2O. Okay, so when a base reacts with an acid, they give us a salt giving liberation of with the liberation of water. Let us see more one example like calcium hydroxide when reacts with HCl, they give us calcium chloride CaCl2 with the liberation of H2O. Okay, this is the same reaction that we have studied about metal hydroxide when it reacts with acid. Okay, so these particular reactions are called neutralization reaction. So this particular reaction is called neutralization reaction. So let us recall the chemical properties of acid. In the first chemical reaction, we have seen that a particular metal reacts with an acid to give us salt and hydrogen gas. We have also observed that this particular acid is not placed in a metal container because of this particular reaction. The acid erodes the metal containers, so acids are specially kept in glass vessels. Okay, now with the liberation of hydrogen, the hydrogen can be identified by the pop sound. We have to keep this in mind. When hydrogen gas is collected over soap water, the soap water form bubbles. When a candle is brought near it, the hydrogen gas burns with a pop sound. Okay, we are coming to the next reaction. When a metal carbonate or metal bicarbonate reacts with an acid, they give us salt, carbon dioxide and water. So this carbon dioxide can be identified by it turns lime water milky. It turns lime water milky. I hope you have to see this particular reaction in order to understand the change of white color, change into white color and the colorless solution when excess of CO2 is given into the particular acid, given into the particular solution. So we will observe that carbon dioxide will turn lime water milky. Okay, in the third chemical equation, metal oxides and hydroxides, when they react with acid, they give us salt and water. In the same way, bases, they react with acid to give us salt and water. These two particular reactions are quite similar because metal oxides are specially basic in nature. Metal oxides are specially basic in nature. So these were the chemical properties of acid. As we have come to the term base, in the next videos we are going to learn about the physical properties of base along with its chemical properties. Okay, see you again. Thank you.